Here we've got Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and here you will notice the timer icon. This is the one. Just pick 3 or 10 seconds, I will choose 10, and as you can see, the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay. You just have to wait until it's done, and afterwards you will see that it has been grabbed. And also you will hear the sound, so obviously you can also choose 3 seconds, and now it will be done after the countdown. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate camera timer in your device in your Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.